Hello, and I'm back, OV Marie, with OV Marie Creations, and this is going to be another quick Design With Me fall edition. If this is your first time at my channel, welcome. If this is not your first time, welcome back, and I'm glad we're all here to kick it with each other, okay? So, these beads, I've made a couple of things with these, but you know, I wanted to do something a little different with these beads. As you can see, these beads are lovely. Wait, am I in the right frame? I want to make sure that you're able to see everything I'm doing here. Okay. So these beads here are just amazing. And I was digging through some of my stuff and I found a few of these and I was like, well, let's make something with these too. So I think I'm going to go ahead and make a jewelry set, a bracelet, and some earrings. Okay, so another thing that I've been really just trying to get into the feel of using these are these beautiful leaves that I got. I think I purchased these from Amazon, and they're just cute leaves. Look at the colors. Let me show you the colors, you guys. They have a brown, a chocolate, like a dark chocolate. You have the nice orange. You have the red, just like a deep red. And then you have this beautiful yellow here. These are just too cute. So I've been wanting to use these a lot. And I think I'm going to go with this color. And I'm going to pull out 3 of these because I want to use 2 for earrings. And just some simple stuff, okay? We got some strand of beads here. It's 2 strands. As you can tell, I've already used one because I have it tied up. Then I have some findings here. It's just some simple little hoop findings here. And of course, I'm going to be using my jump rings, my gold jump rings. And I think I'm going to either use these gold spacer beads or one of these in here. I haven't decided just yet which one, but definitely from these 2 I will be using those. And oh yes, and I'm going to be using, of course, my head pins here to kind of create the earrings that I am, the earring design. So let's go ahead and get started with this design. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward, and I'm going to come back and show you guys the final look. Okay, so this is the final look. I actually like it. It's a little different with the earrings. I've never done earrings like this before, so I'm actually feeling this to a T. Again, there's a couple of things that I did not show you guys at the beginning, materials that I use. So I'm gonna show you now. Okay, so I have these ear posts here. Let me take it out. You guys can already see from the earrings. I decided to use these earring posts here. As you can see, they are marvelous. So I decided to use that, as well as I used some very, very small gold spatial beads to add to the earrings. And of course, these two spacer beads are the ones that I decided to use today for the jewelry set. And of course, oh, let me show you the tools that I use. Tools. Okay, I have my pliers. This is the crimping plier here that I used. Oh yes, let me show you that as well. I think I showed you that on here. This is the knot covers that I use. I call them knot covers. The crimping bead. So that's what I use as well. And this is the crimping device, but it also is like a regular pliers that I can use to just kind of maneuver things a little bit. So I use these two. I also use my cutters, my regular scissors, super glue, and oh yes, and this here is my jump ring or hole closer or hole creator or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what it's called anymore. A loop cover, a loop cutter. So you just stick your head pin in, close it like this, and it creates a nice hoop for you. I do not know if they have bigger sizes. I need to check to see if they do, because I would like to have bigger sizes of these, but I have to research on that. So this is what I use too. So those are the tools that I use, and of course my bead mat. I always have my bead mat, and I think that is all. That's all that I actually used here. I hope I didn't miss anything. So anyway, so this is the look. Again, I'm going to put it on my mannequins, my hand mannequin and my earring mannequin, so you can see the full look of it at the end of the video. And this is all I created today. So let me know if you like the design. Let me know if you want me to create more designs like this. It is fall, my favorite season, so I am thinking of more fall stuff. This would actually be on my website for sale, so check out the link in the description box for that. And until then, thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you know when I will post another video. Also check out my shorts and all my other social media platforms. For Love of Anna Marie, it's Facebook and Instagram, and for my jewelry page, OV Marie Creations, the link to my actual jewelry website where you can purchase any items, or you can do a custom order if you want. The link is going to be in the description box, as well as my Facebook and Instagram and TikTok for OV Marie Creations. Okay, so that's all I have for y'all. Until next time, peace.